Have you noticed the shocking rise in egg prices lately? Are eggs becoming a luxury item? From skyrocketing costs to hidden market trends, today, we uncover the real reason behind the egg price surge and what you can expect next. Stick around, because this affects your wallet more than you think. Egg prices have been making headlines, and for good reason. At the start of last year, a dozen eggs cost around $1.50. Fast forward to today, and that same carton could set you back over $5 in some areas. But why is this happening? Let's break it down. Several factors are driving this egg price explosion. First, avian flu outbreaks have significantly reduced the poultry population, cutting down supply while demand remains high. Second, inflation has increased the cost of feed, transportation, and labor, pushing prices even higher. Lastly, consumer habits have shifted, with more people cooking at home, further straining supply. So, what's next for egg prices? Experts predict a slow but steady decline in costs as poultry farms recover from the avian flu crisis. However, inflation and supply chain disruptions could still keep prices above pre-pandemic levels. Some analysts warn that another wave of bird flu could push prices even higher. Worried about your grocery bill? Here are some ways to save on eggs. Buy in bulk from wholesale stores to get a better deal. Consider purchasing from local farms, which often have fresher and cheaper options. Try egg alternatives like flaxseed or chickpea flour for baking. Keep an eye on discount days at your local supermarket. A dramatic zoom in on a price tag: could we see $10 per dozen eggs in the future? Some experts say it's possible if another supply shock hits. However, industry leaders are working on stabilizing production to prevent such extremes. Still, one thing is clear: egg prices may never return to their pre-pandemic lows. So, what do you think? Are high egg prices here to stay? Let us know in the comments below, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into your daily expenses.